131. Rice needs A. Low temperature and heavy rainfall. B. High temperature and low rainfall. C. Heavy rainfall and high temperature. D. Low temperature and low rainfall. And the correct answer is C. Heavy rainfall and high temperature. Question number 132. What is viticulture? A. Cultivation of grapes. B. Growing small plants. C. Growing tobacco. C. Cultivation of spices. And the correct answer is A. Cultivation of grapes. Question number 133. What is horticulture? A. Growing of flowers and fruits. B. Rearing animals for meat and skins. C. Farming without crop rotation. C. Cultivation of crops without any machine. And the correct answer is A. Growing of flowers and fruits. Question number 134. What is meant by humid farming? A. Farming without irrigation. B. Farming in rainy season. C. Farming in semi-arid regions. D. Contour farming. And the correct answer is B. Farming in rainy season. Question number 135. World's largest coffee producer is A. Colombia. B. Venezuela. C. USA. D. Brazil. And the correct answer is D. Brazil. Question number 136. In Pakistan, iron ore is found in A. Muslim Bagh. B. Kala Bagh. C. Chaman. D. Chagi. And the correct answer is B. Kala Bagh. Question number 137. Which is an example of a footloose industry? A. Hydropower generation. B. Chemical industry. C. Electronics industry. D. Fertilizers industry. And the correct answer is C. Electronics industry. Question number 138. The Aborigines of North America are called A. Hamites. B. Samites. C. Red Indians. D. Mestozoans. And the correct answer is C. Red Indians. Question number 139. A hinterland is, and the correct answer is A. An area that lies behind a seaport and supplies the bulk of its exports. Question number 140. A local wind that blows from sea towards land is A. Land breeze. B. Sea breeze. C. Nor'wester. D. Sirocco. And the correct answer is B. Sea breeze. Subscribe to the Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok and Facebook. Thank you.